Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing today? So guys, today's video I will be doing coconut milk hair mask. So this is my coconut milk. So this is about a cup of coconut milk. So this is the coconut milk that I'm using. It's original coconut milk, so it's good for your smoothie and also for your milkshake. Is so good guys. Like if you want to do a milkshake, just use this coconut and you're going to love it. So the next is my banana, just one banana that I'm using. So guys, you can use more than one banana if you want. So here is my aloe vera gel. So I'm going to add this to the rest ingredients. So this is my aloe vera gel. So now I'm going to add my yogurt. This is my Greek yogurt, pure natural yogurt. Guys, if you want to do this, make sure you use pure natural yogurt. Even if it's not Greek yogurt, just use natural yogurt. So original Greek yogurt, that's the one that I'm using. 0% fat, which is good for health if you don't want to go fat. So this is the kind of yogurt you should be taking, okay? So I blend everything together. This is how it's looking like. Just look like milkshake. I just gave you guys milkshake recipe, okay? 2 in 1. So I'm just going to use my strainer to just strain out the rest. Side is coconut milk conditioner. So after straining it out, I'm going to add my different kinds of oil. First is this olive oil. So first is this olive oil, guys. I'm going to add about 2 to 3 spoons of olive oil. So olive oil is common now, so you guys can find olive oil, okay? Yes, I know you can olive oil. So I'm going to add 2 spoons of olive oil to this moisturizing hair groom DIY deep conditioner. So the next is my castor oil. So this is 100% pure. That's what they wrote there. I don't know if 100% pure, I'm not here. So I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of that castor oil to this my miracle health mask. Then mix everything together. So the next oil that I'm going to be adding is my sweet almond oil. So I'm going to also add 2 tablespoons of my sweet almond oil to this DIY treatment. So after adding everything, just mix and leave it for some minutes for it to work together inside the mixture, for the oil to mix well with the water, okay? That makes sense. So good. So now it's time for me to apply this to my hair. I've already shampooed my hair, so before you do this treatment, make sure you shampoo your hair, so to get rid of all the buildup and all the yama yama on your hair. So now let me welcome my amazing subscriber. Thank you so much for coming. I appreciate you guys for your love and your support. So if you just subscribe and you are still coming back to watch my video, thank you so much for coming back. I really appreciate you too. And if you are new here, you just saw my video on YouTube and you decided to click and watch, thank you so much. I really appreciate you too. Please don't forget to subscribe if you love this video, and also give this video a thumbs up. So now I've already transferred that my DIY milkshake conditioner to my applicator bottle for easy application. So now I'm just going to start applying it to my hair, as you can see me doing right here. So all the ingredients in here is going to help you to manage your hair, to condition, moisturize, add shine to your hair, and also most importantly It's going to help you to retain length. It's going to help you to grow healthy hair. So when your hair is growing, you also need to make sure that it's also moisturized, because if your hair is not moisturized, it's going to break. So this DIY treatment is for that. It's going to help you to moisturize your hair, keep your hair moisturized, and it's also going to help you to add shine to your hair and also help to promote hair growth. It's also going to help you to treat dandruff, which is very important because dandruff is so bad. When you have dandruff on your hair, it's really so bad, guys. So it's also going to help you to treat dandruff. Okay, so coconut milk is also going to help you to restore your dry damaged hair. So when your hair is dry and damaged, guys, it's so bad, it's going to make you really feel sad. So coconut milk is going to help to restore your dry damaged hair. It's also going to help to restore your, so it's also going to help you to restore your brittle hair and also your split ends. So coconut milk contain all the essential benefits for our hair, essential nutrition which is needed for our healthy hair growth. So it's also going to help you to boost your hair follicle and also help you to promote hair growth. So if you can apply this to your hair, massage it for 3 to 5 minutes, allow it to sit on your hair for 20 to 30 minutes, then rinse your hair with cool water. So and also condition your hair with your conditioner, because you do not need to shampoo your hair again. The only thing you need is just conditioner. Okay, so this is going to be good for our hair growth and every other hair and scalp problem that you are facing. So guys, I'm just going to continue to to apply this to my hair. Make sure you coat your hair with this treatment very well. Your hair and your scalp, make sure you coat it very well. So guys, you can also use this is one bell that kill one stone that kill one bell that kill two bell one stone kill two bell. So guys, you can also use this for your makeup remover. So you can use this with olive oil. Just pour coconut milk on your cotton pad and add olive oil to it. Use it to clean your face and use it to remove your makeup. It's not only going to clean your face and remove your makeup, it's going to nourish your skin. It's going to nourish your face deeply. At the same time, it's going to leave your face so moisturized, guys. This is so good to remove your makeup. Just coconut milk and olive oil, guys. If you try it, you love it, come back and kill a cow for me, okay? Come back and kill a cow for me, because it's so good. I use it as a makeup remover and it's also good. You can also use it for your smoothie. You can use it to cook your coconut rice. Even if I have not eaten coconut rice before, I heard that coconut rice is so sweet. Don't laugh at me, oh. I never shot coconut rice, so I cannot come here and say I've eaten coconut rice before. So the saying is coconut rice is so delicious. Maybe one day I will try it out. I only use it for my milkshake and smoothie, which is good. So I decided to say, okay, this is good for smoothie. Why not try it on my hair? Because I saw so many videos where they use coconut milk on their hair and I love the outcome of their hair. So I said, let me also try it on my hair. Even if you don't want to use it on your hair, drinking it alone is also going to work on your hair. Like, yes, so it's also going to work on your hair. Even if you don't want to just put it on your head direct. So it's like I'm talking to. So guys, I'm almost coming to the end of this part. Then I'm going to leave you guys to watch the remaining one. I will come back. Oh, don't go anywhere. So make sure you coat your hair with this treatment. Make sure you coat your hair with it, so that is when you coat your hair with it, it's going to really leave your hair so moisturized, so healthy, and so manageable. Your hair is going to be shiny. Your hair is going to be healthy, like a newborn baby. Newborn baby, they don't have any problem. That is how your hair is going to look like. That is how your hair is going to look like. So if I happen to be a manager in a company, I'm going to sell. Oh, like, I know how to advertise very well. I'm going to sell. So guys, now I've already leave my hair for 1 hour, guys. I'm not going to lie. I leave my hair for 1 hour. So this is 1 hour later. This is how my hair is looking like, because I was busy doing all that thing. So it's not my fault. Don't come for me. So I was busy doing all that thing. So the longer the better, okay? So this is how my hair is looking like now. So nourished, so beautiful, and so beautiful and moisturized. This is the back of my hair. My hair is growing every day. My hair is growing every day. My hair is growing every day, like that woman that say I fat every she said I fat every minute. So when I saw my uniform, I was small. Now that I want to go back to school, I'm fat now. So guys, this is how my hair is looking like after I rinsed it out. You can see how beautiful, nourished, and moisturized my hair is looking like now. So if you like this video, just give me a thumbs up. Don't go without giving me a thumbs up, okay? Because I will come to your house to collect my thumbs up. Oh God, I'm joking, no. So I'm just going to end this video here. Thank you so much for coming. If you like, give me thumbs up. So if you are not yet a subscriber, please do subscribe. So and we'll see you all in my next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Ciao ciao. Au revoir. Tschüss.